Hey class, let me share my screen. It's Mr. Klausner here. It is Monday, January 11th. That's what this video is for. I made it a couple of days ahead of time. It's week 21 and it is the January 11th through the 15th week. We are still in the Avengers mode, but our Hulkman is our character today. So the quote of the week is from Plato. The good life is a mixture of moderation and fitness, proportion and beauty, intelligence and wisdom, science and arts, and pure pleasures of the soul. It is an A schedule, which are crazy, but you will see all your teachers on the A schedules. Welcome back from winter break. What we're doing in class is entering the do now attendance and then announcements. Remember, complete your homework by Fridays. If you're asking for a letter of recommendation, please give me a couple weeks advance and don't be all scattered brain. Make sure you have all your stuff to ask me in the links. This week we are testing Freckle. Make sure you sync it with your Renaissance. And if you have questions about Roman numerals, let me know. Review the rules and procedures and review the Avengers homework, which we're going to do now. We do a brain break in class and then clean up and dismissal. So let me go ahead and share the screen. That is the Avengers homework. I'm just going to highlight a couple of the questions. So this was last week's. This was week 20th. It says, how was your winter break? Do you like Marvel? And then 3 questions that have to do with more English and noun and verbs, numbers. Number 6 there is 4 minus 5, so that'd be -1. Number 7, -10 minus 3 would be -13. 1 plus -11 is -10. These are working with integers, integer operation. Integers, remember, are whole numbers or negative whole numbers. So like -11 and 1, both integers. We have adding fractions for number 11, subtracting fractions. We need to work on those. Here we have a little angle measurement of finding the measure of x. So you're going to need to know that that normal right angle is 90 degrees. If we were to take away that 49, what are you going to get there? You're going to get 41, which is a repeating decimal. So you need to be able to convert fractions into decimals, and you can use that using division. Really quickly, I can do this one in my head. I have 24 over 60. That would be 2 over 5. If I reduce it by taking out a 12 on both the top and the bottom, I get 2 over 5, which as a decimal is going to be 0.4, which is a terminating decimal. So that one is not a repeating decimal. You're going to do that for the rest. Number 15 there, dividing fractions. Again, you can see how I set that up by drawing in the decimal point, not an exclamation point, and then the running zeros. What is 50% of 88? That'd be 44. And x over 18 is equal to -9. You do a little cross multiply to get rid of the 18, dividing by 18. So you're going to multiply by 18. You get -162 is equal to x. Completing the pattern, 1, 9, 17, 25, 33. You're going up by 8. So the next one is definitely 41, and then 49, and so on. -44 over 4 would be division, so we'd have a negative divided by a positive. That yields a negative. We get -11. And then the Black Panther, and you're going to calculate his distance and speed. All right, guys, that's it for this Monday. Take care of yourselves, be respectful, and I can't wait to see you soon, both in person and online. Bye now. Take it easy.